Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Hi, from Group 2 and we're going to present about our program which is Student CGPA Calculation System. Okay. For the introduction, our program will allow user to enter the mark of each subject, calculate CGPA and grade obtained in examination. Show an overall result with a student name list and a statistic list. Increase the efficiency for users such as teachers and lecturers in calculating CGPA of students. Structure, function, selection, repetition, array and string are developed.
For the requirements that needed in this project, name of the class such as EKT120, amount of students in the class, student's name, metric number, number of registered subject, and lastly is marks of each registered subject.
Start. For the first picture, we can see that the student details of June students. When user enters 4 subjects, 4 marks will be entered also. But for the Farah student, 4 subject is entered but 3 marks is entered only, and the following part cannot be continued. And for the second picture, we enter 4 subject for Sarah student but 5 marks is entered here, but the program will only calculate the first 4 marks only.
Okay, this is user interface. The first one is when the user open the system, you see the welcome sign, and the second picture is when the user enter the information. And the third picture is the result when after user enter the information, and the last picture is the before closing the system. So I'm gonna to show you guys how to run the flow running the system. So this is our coding. This is our full coding, then I will show you this is the user interface. Like example, we put class Epal, then the number of student is 4, and enter the student name, enter the student ID, enter the registered subject, enter the marks of each subject. Then you show the GPA and grade obtained, and final the CGPA. Then enter the second student information. Enter the third student information. And the last student information. After that, it will show the output, the student name list, the total student get for each pointer, and the highest CGPA in the class and the lowest CGPA in the class. And who get the highest pointer, who get the lowest pointer, and the percentage of student pass and fail. Then thank you for using the application, and thank you.